Alright guys, how's it going? This is Rob from Talking with Cars, and this episode what I'm going to do is I'm going to try Armor Details PHOBIC. I hear so many good things about this coating. Now this is supposed to be just kind of like a topper, not really a full-fledged coating, but from what I've heard, the contact angle, resistance to chemicals, longevity of it, a year plus if you maintain it well, and it comes in a 90 milliliter bottle, and it's fairly inexpensive if you really think about it per ounce. So I'm going to try it. I'm going to put it on 2 panels of my car. They've been cleaned and didn't polish it, so I'm going to see what happens. I'm going to actually kind of keep track of it and see on these 2 panels how well it does over time. Because my work car is kind of my test car, and I'll show you what I'm going to do. I'm going to do these 2 panels right here. I'm going to do the front fender and the driver's side door. I'm going to install Armor Detail Supplies PHOBIC. And I'm going to install it just like you would install any ceramic coating. I'm going to use a applicator pad. I know this comes with spray bottles, but I'm not going to use it that way because I've seen Dogma and a couple other YouTubers actually try using it like a standard coating, which I'm kind of intrigued about. And if it is a standard coating and it lasts over a year, I'm kind of surprised. I'm actually surprised that they're putting this in a 90 milliliter bottle and selling it like this. So, you know what? If it works, it works. So let's give it a shot. I'm going to set up the camera, put it on there. Supposedly this stuff beads and it's easy to tell when you're ready to wipe off. Kind of like Gian Mo's Evo. That's the way I understand it. And we'll give it a shot. We'll let it cure for a few weeks, couple weeks, I would say, before we wash it, and then we'll go from there. All right, so let's go ahead and go to the install. All right, so you guys should be able to see what I'm seeing right now, right? So we got the bottle. We're going to shake it up a little bit. Here's the applicator pad, right? Standard pad I got on Amazon. And we're going to try to install this. It's got a droplet, right? Just like a standard ceramic coating. Put that down. And again, we're going to apply it to this side of the car, passenger side or driver's side door and front fender. And we're going to see how long it lasts, right? Whoops. Oh, well, that's interesting, right? The dropper fell out. Well, that's not cool. All right, well, we'll put that aside. That's garbage. Got plenty of material. Whoa, way too much. All right, well, it's slick, that's for sure. And really what you should do for a car is you should polish the panel before you place this on. Wow, it's going on really thick. And it's beating up pretty good, so I'm not going to need to apply any more. And it really does have like your standard, typical ceramic coating smell to it, right? You can smell the carriers in it. It's dragging a little bit. So what I'm going to want to do is probably put a little bit more on the applicator. And I'm doing a crosshatch pattern because I want to make sure that I get everything. Yeah, I shouldn't be installing it like this. I really should prep the surface a little bit better. But it is clean, no question about it. So the surface is very clean. A couple drops. We're going to see how this does over time. You can see the beading already. It's kind of like already, not like beading like the Gian Mo's did, to be quite honest. It's a little different. It's kind of like a sweating. All right, I'm doing it in real time with you guys here too. So as this sweats, I'm gonna bring it a little bit closer. I want you to see this. Put the applicator pad there. Let me bring this a little bit closer so you can see. All right, you see that? I don't know if you can see that. This color is horrible for this. but there you go. See the sweating? That's what it's doing, right? So I'm gonna allow this to kind of sweat and get to a point where I feel that this is definitely bonded to the paint. And then I'm gonna take my microfiber towel and we're gonna wipe it off. All right, I might need a second towel to level, to really polish it off. But maybe on the black you could see it better. Yeah. You see how that's really kind of beating up? And the longer I let it sit there, the more you see it, the more pronounced it is. Right? Look at this. Hopefully you can see that. Really beating up now, right? All right, so we're gonna wait a couple more minutes and I'm gonna start wiping this off. And then let's get a feel for how slick this is, right? Because I think that front fender is just about ready. So let's move this down a little bit so you can see it. I'm gonna close this bottle up. And that's 2 panels, by the way. The consumer buying this product, trying it out, and seeing how this goes. All right, so this is sweating pretty good. I don't wanna wait too long. It's very slick, for sure. Wow. Holy cow, that's nice. Comes off nice and easy. Take the other side, finish it off. Wow, that's super slick. Easy, easy. All right, so we're gonna wait a little bit more. It kind of has a self-leveling attribute to it after the beating. But this is beating enough for sure. Wipe it down. Hopefully you can see this. Let me turn this around so I can make sure. Okay. Wow. Super easy to install. And the beauty of something like this, if this works as good as I think it's going to work, is that you can install this at any given time. You know what I mean? It's so easy to install. It's slick. And if it lasts a year like everyone is saying, I'm a happy camper, right? Because that's all I'm looking for, is I'm looking for something that's going to be easy to install, it lasts a while, beads up. And I know I saw Sheepstar he's got PHOBIC on his list, and he said that the contact angle is very good. Dimitri, right? That channel. And I'll share both of those channels with you. But check them out, man. They talk about this stuff a lot. And it works well. So if that's the case, and if it's this easy to install, holy cow. Now the one thing I need to do is I need to figure out how long the cure time is. Let's see if it says it here in the bottle. It doesn't. But you have to use this within 90 days of opening up the bottle. So that's the one thing you have, right? So although they give you a lot, you have 90 days to use this. That's it, and you gotta throw it out. But I have a weird feeling that this is gonna work out really well. Armor Detail PHOBIC. Let's see how it goes. I'm gonna let this cure for at least 2 weeks. Then we're gonna give it a wash and we're gonna compare it to the back panels that I did not coat, right? Those don't have any coating on it whatsoever. But these two now have PHOBIC on it. Super easy to install, almost just like a regular coating. I installed it with an applicator pad. We're gonna let it cure for 2 weeks. Then we're gonna give it its first wash and see how it goes. There's definitely a little bit of an odor to it, so do it outside. I recommend doing it outside. I also recommend polishing the panels before you do this, because if you're gonna do it, might as well do it right. I'm just testing the products. I'm gonna end up polishing these panels off in the near future, so I'm not too worried about it. I'm sure it's easy to remove. But Armor Detail PHOBIC. Let's give it a shot, all right? See you on the next one. Peace.